so long ago, in a captivating small town filled with old Western homes, each radiating nostalgia, encircled by vibrant trees, flaunting their brilliant autumn foliage, teeming with various breeds and colorful groups of dogs alongside their lively puppies, joyfully frolicking on their 2 feet. The community exudes warmth and togetherness, complemented by rustic barns that add distinct character to the landscape. It was an enchanting autumn evening, with a sky painted in striking hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting a magical glow over the town. Soft shadows and gentle highlights enhance the tranquil beauty of this idyllic moment. As the Halloween evening approaches, playful puppies don their costumes, each embodying their chosen character with infectious enthusiasm. With eager bounces, they radiate joy. The vibrant orange pumpkins roll softly amidst the scene, further enhancing the festive spirit that fills the atmosphere. Soft, diffused light casts a gentle glow, making their fur shimmer as it contrasts with the rich colors of fall. This adorable puppy dons a whimsical bee costume, transformed into Beepup, joyfully waving her paw while dancing. As she sways side to side, her delicate wings flutter gently, creating a captivating and cheerful spectacle. The warm, natural light bathes her in a delightful glow, texture of her fluffy fur, highlighting her playful spirit, inviting all to join in the festive celebration. The scene is infused with magic of the Halloween season. Their delightful journey of trick-or-treating begins along a whimsical path, covered in a vibrant carpet of colorful leaves that crunch underfoot. Focus on the happy expressions of playful puppies, their tails wagging energetically as they excitedly explore their surroundings, embodying pure joy. Capture the rich, vibrant hues of autumn foliage, from fiery reds to shimmering golds, enhancing a cheerful atmosphere that invites laughter and excitement during their festive adventure. As the path deepens, it transforms into a labyrinth of shadows, with eerie valleys embraced by dense foliage. Trees loom overhead, concealing a world of hidden creatures. Watchful owls, fluttering bats, and crows stealthily perched among the branches. The full moon casts an ethereal glow on ancient castles, that rise majestically in the distance, their dark silhouettes shrouded in tantalizing mystery. Scary, forbidden houses with playful Halloween decorations, creating a juxtaposition of whimsy and terror. This invites exploration through a dark forest, rich with intrigue and suspense.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
As Beepup sets off on a thrilling trick-or-treat adventure, he unwittingly wanders into a shadowy forest where towering trees loom large and countless hidden creatures await. Overwhelmed by fear, he whimpers for help, the soft hoots of owls echoing around him and the fluttering of bats circling overhead. The dark sky casts an ominous shadow, intensifying the atmosphere of mystery. Throughout his journey, Beepup encounters the haunting howls of a werewolf, alongside the eerie transformation of a vampire, shifting into a bat, heightening the sense of excitement and adrenaline in this spooky escapade.
Farewell, my friend.
Sir, I'm so glad you are here. I am lost. Would you be able to help me? Hello, sir. Please help me.
Mayday.
I can't find
We
my
have
mom.
a lost
I
puppy.
want my mom.
Mayday,
Would you be able to help me?
This place is spooky and haunted. You must leave now.
We have a lost puppy.
As she ventures deeper into the lush, enigmatic forest, the once faint sounds of hidden creatures crescendo, enveloping her in an unsettling symphony of whispers and rustles. Beepup's heart races, a palpable mixture of anxiety and trepidation, coloring her perception of the surrounding shadows. She begins to weep, calling out for help, her voice a fragile echo among the towering trees. Beepup joyfully reunites with her mother, aided by courageous soldiers who embody heroism. Overwhelmed with happiness, she leaps with excitement, her paws raised high in the air. The atmosphere is filled with warmth and celebration as Beepup discovers her siblings. Gathered alongside their mom, their laughter echoing like music. Having concluded their delightful tricks or treats, the family shares a moment of togetherness before embarking on their journey. After an adventurous evening of trick or treating, the adorable puppies finally return home, tails wagging with excitement. Dad beams with delight as he greets them, his face radiating joy. Meanwhile, Mom and Dad share a cozy moment, smiles stretching across their faces as they watch the puppies eagerly devour their colorful candies. The room is softly lit, with gentle shadows adding warmth to this heartwarming scene. Laughter and little yips of joy fill the air, perfectly capturing the essence of family, love, and the creation of cherished memories.
Greetings, everyone. As you embark on your exciting journey or venture out for trick-or-treating, we kindly remind you to keep these essential safety rules in mind before heading out. 1. Always go in groups, as adult supervision ensures your safety. 2. Remember to look both directions before crossing the road. 3. Stay in well-lit areas to avoid slips and falls. 4. Do not consume your candies until they have been thoroughly inspected by your mom and pa. 5. Dress warmly beneath your costume to stay comfortable. Have fun and stay safe.
Hello everyone, my name is Scarlett. I hope you enjoy watching my video. If you like my story, please share your thoughts and comments below. I am hoping to share more stories with you in the coming days. Bye for now.